Hi guys, Neil at Italia Autos here. Welcome back to another video on the channel. This week we are with the GT V6. We're hopefully finally going to be stripping it down for paint. So we've got to take everything off it so we can make life easier when it comes to prepping it and painting it. So it shouldn't take too long to do, to be honest. We've got to take the front bumper off, strip all the grills and everything off it. Got to take the front grille off the bonnet. The headlights are probably going to stay in because they're like 2 seconds to get masked up. Indicators have got to come out, wing mirrors off, strip the doors down to get the door handle off and the window seal off. I've got to get the roof window seal off. Remove the badge at the side. Rear lights taken out. Rear bumper taken off, rear lights off that, rear badge off, rear other badge off, aerial off, washers out the bonnet, and there we go. We are pretty much done and ready to be stripped down. So we know how much you guys love my time lapses, so I'm going to quickly film everything, blast it all together, put some nice music over it, and then you can enjoy a car being stripped down, ready for paint. Right, a few hours hard work, we're all stripped down. Taking all the badges off the side, remove the bumpers, just put them back on there at the moment just to hang there. Rear badge removed, aerial removed. So there we go, we are all ready to prep it and paint it now. I'm not going to film any of this because I just want to crack on with it and get it done to the best standard I can. So join me in a few seconds when we should have a nicely, freshly painted car. So here we are guys, lots of hard work done to it. It is now finished. I have stuck the front and rear bumpers on just so it looks a little bit more complete, so you can see it a bit better. The job is an amazing finish on it. If you're looking here, there's no overspray at all the way around any of the seals. Paintwork is lovely, smooth and shiny. It doesn't really reflect the best inside this unit. So it is now all done. We've just got the long hard task of bolting everything back onto it without damaging anything. The biggest hurt to do is the door handles. I will put some masking tape around there so I don't scratch them when I'm putting the rods in, because they are notoriously a pain in the backside to get in. A couple more jobs got to be done on it. There's a little flat patch on the bonnet which I've just seen this morning which needs polishing up a bit. Reattach the bumpers and build everything in there. Painting the brakes, we are going to be painting them red again, front and rear. And the wheels are going to be refurbished, because if you remember from the early episodes, look at the colour of that wheel to the colour of that wheel. I'm going to be taking them all off and taking them to Rims and Things, which is a powder coater in Lichfield. And I'm going to be getting them all powder coated. So now, let the work begin of bolting everything back on. I think I'm going to start with the door handles, the doors and the wing mirrors, so if I've got to pull it out, I can see where I'm going. So let's crack on and get some work done to it. So right, let's get cracking. I'm getting this door handle in. What I've done is just pop it on the glass just to get rid of some of the stickiness, because it's fresh paint, so I don't want to pull any off. One door handle. Now, I do hate putting these things back in the door. They're not easy. Oh, that one went in pretty easy actually, as long as I can get it underneath here. We just need to put all the door stuff back in. I've got to tighten up this bolt here as well. Door handle works. Put this back into position. Glass in. Without smashing it. two sides are in. And the window sill. The wing mirror. Right, on to the final part now, which is the front bumper. What I am waiting on is some of the star clips to hold the plastic grills in position. You can get them off eBay. They're about £2 for a pack of 10. So you'll want a couple of packs just to do a complete front bumper. But yeah, they're called 8mm star clips. So the car is up in the air now. I've taken the wheels to the powder coaters to be refurbished. What I've been doing, I have popped one of these in the blaster, and as you can see, the paint on most of it has come off, so they're almost red again now. Still got to sand down some of the parts here where it's all rough, and do the second caliper, and then prime it and get it painted. Right, we've jumped forward a few days now. I totally forgot to record any more footage on painting the brakes, but I have fitted them and the alloy wheels are back, so let's have a quick look at them and then we'll get the car outside and we'll show you the final finish. So there we go, pop that back on properly. Brakes are all done now, and the wheels are all done. Round to the rear. Rear brakes are all done as well. So let's get it outside now and we can finish the video off. So there we go guys, several months of hard work is now complete. The car is now going off to its new owner, and how it's come such a long way. If you remember when I first picked the car up, the bodywork was shabby, the alternator didn't work, it was well overdue a cam belt, and it just didn't look very nice at all. In fact, I think some of you were up for scrapping it. You think even I was up for scrapping it. I was thinking about taking all the modified parts off it and putting them on my 156 GTA. No, but the car got saved. It's now got a whole new lease of life and it is looking mighty fine. So that's about it for this one then guys. It's another car completed. Time to move on to the next one. Thank you guys for watching. I do hope you have enjoyed this series. Don't forget to give the video a like and give me a comment below. Thank you guys, and I shall see you in the next video.